Robot-aided scaffold assembly. Scaffold assembly is dangerous, physically demanding work that requires skilled labor. Flanders Make has developed a mobile robot for automated scaffold assembly that brings safety, efficiency and flexibility to construction sites. The system features a modular robot platform with 2 robotic arms on an omnidirectional platform, allowing precise movement in tight scaffold spaces. Using digital twin simulations, the robot learns to operate safely in constantly changing environments. On site, a central orchestrator coordinates the robots, vertical material lifts, and human workers who receive clear, step-by-step instructions through a mobile app. Advanced sensors, including time of flight and depth cameras, enable the robot to perceive its surroundings, identify scaffold parts, and assemble them accurately with vision and force control. By taking over the most dangerous and physically demanding tasks, our robotics system makes construction work safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Try this demo to see how Flanders Make's expertise in complex automation combines robotics, computer vision, force sensing, and digital twins in a single integrated system.